So let's solve the previous problem. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to train my computer so that it could recognize the similar commands. For this, I have to go back to project and select the train section. Now, I'm going to add two types of label so that we can put the examples of some mean sentences or root sentences or some kind or good sentences. So I'll create the label name as kind statement and one label as rude statements. And I'm going to write some of the examples of kind and rude statement. For example, a kind statement is like, you are pretty, or maybe you are good, you are nice, or maybe you look good in this t-shirt. Maybe you are a nice person. And I like your behavior, and etc. And now some root statements like I don't like you, and you are not good. I don't like your behavior. You are so mean, and like you don't look good, and simple, you are so bad person. Now I guess I have given enough examples. So what I am going to do is, I am going to make my computer learn from these patterns or examples. So let's train our new machine learning model. It will take a minute. Till then, let us revise what we have done till now. We have given some of the example in two buckets or two labels so that my computer could understand what is the meaning of mean or rude statements, or what is the meaning of kind and happy statements, so that it can differentiate between the emoji reactions, like if it's a kind compliment, it will be happy. If you will insult it or it's a rude statement, it will be sad. I guess it will take some time. So let us understand the concept of this thing. Actually, this type of learning is called supervised machine learning. It's so because I am supervising my computer how to learn the patterns from the example. I am stating, or I am giving the example, what is the meaning of rude or mean statements and so on. So this type of learning is called supervised machine learning. And now my model is trained. So let us test the condition. Okay, for example, if I am going to write as you are good. Okay, my computer has recognized this type of statement as kind statement with 100% confidence. That is, it's pretty sure that it's kind statement. Now let us modify our code script and go back to the project, and again before going to this, firstly let me save my code so that I can again use this same code. I don't have to write again. Now open in Scratch 3. What I'm going to do is I'm loading the same project which I have downloaded now to my computer. Okay, you can see this code. Okay, so you can see in the first approach I have stated the rules, but now I am going to use my trained or new machine learning model. So firstly I'll change this type of script, and what I'm going to use is I'm going to use another block, that is, instead of if then I'm going to use if else block. Now again, I'm going to use the equals to operator. I'm using this operator, it's so because it will compare the condition I'm going to state. Okay, so it will going to recognize the answer of the statements as, for example, kind statement. Okay, so if the statement recognized is kind, what is going to do is it will change the costume to the happy part, and else it will be sad. Happy or sad. Let us check the condition. For example, if now I am going to write as you are good, it will be happy. Or again run the code like I don't like you, it will show a crying face. So what we have done is we have modified our script using machine learning model. Now you can write similar commands. We have to not state the rules for the same, because it's next to impossible, or it will take forever to state the rule for each and every similar statement. So we have used machine learning model, you can see. Now let us revise what we have done this far. Firstly, we have trained our computer by giving some of the examples in the two buckets of my label. You can use more and more emojis, like you can use either another character or any other example, and you can also use another conditions, like for example now I am using only 3, happy, sad or not sure. You can more and more situations like this, and then after training we have modified our script using the model part, and then you can see the condition. You can state similar and similar commands so that we can run it. I hope you understand this concept. Thank you.